Hello. Welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a very tasty, very delicious pork ribs recipe. That is braised pork ribs. The main material for this recipe are pork back ribs and light soy sauce, cooking wine, vinegar, and sugar, and others are shown on this photo. First step, I already cleaned the green onions and ginger. Now I cut the green onion white part into segments. Cut this ginger into few slices. Then cut these pork ribs into small pieces. And trim some fat from the pork ribs. If you don't mind to eat some of the fat, you can skip this step. Next step, boil some water in the cooking pot. When the water is boiling, then drop in the pork ribs. Stir the ribs. Don't want them stuck on the bottom. Stir, make the scum drop off from the ribs. Skim off the scum. And now the pork ribs are ready to take out. Next, heat the cooking pot over low heat. Then add in oil. Then add in sugar. Stir fry sugar with oil for a couple of minutes. Then the sugar changes the color to light brown. Stir fry a little longer until the sugar becomes dark brown color. Then we add in all the pork ribs in the pan. Stir fry the pork ribs until each piece is coated with brown sugar. It's a really nice color. Now we add in the boiling water. Stir on the bottom. Make sure nothing stuck on the bottom. Now we add in light soy sauce. Add in salt. Add in superior mature vinegar. Add in cooking wine. Add in cinnamon stick and star anise. Add in ginger and onion pieces. Now we have everything in the cooking pot. We cover it and cook about 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, we do a turn over of each pieces, then cover again for another 20 minutes. Remove cinnamon sticks and star anise. Cooks a little bit. Then add in sesame seeds. Stir fry about 20 seconds. Then we turn off the heat and transfer the ribs into a plate. Wow, it's looking so delicious. Now I'm ready to eat my lunch. Let me try for you first how it tastes. Take one piece. Wow, the meat is so softer. It is so easy to get the meat off the bone. Wow, it's looking delicious. Let me get first bite. I eat this bite with rice. Wow, it's really tasty. Really wonderful. Like my recipe? Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your watching. See you next time.